Nicole Canham doing a presentation on the ventricles. The ventricles are a network of cavities whose main role is to produce and distribute cerebral spinal fluid throughout the brain. The ventricles are located in our brains. Here on my model, you can see the lateral ventricles, which are located in each cerebral hemisphere. I created a model that will allow me to show you a better example since our ventricles are clear and hard to see. Ventricles are lined with a convoluted vascular membrane called the choroid plexus. Composed of ependymal cells, it is here where they are formed by filtration of blood through the choroid capillaries and then secreted by the choroid plexus. Cranial spinal fluid flows through the ventricles, starting with the lateral ventricles. Then it goes through an opening called the interventricular foramen. The opening attaches the lateral ventricles to the third ventricle, which is located in the midline of the diencephalon. Between the third and fourth ventricles, the cerebral aqueduct allows these two ventricles to communicate. In the fourth ventricle, found here, it protrudes into the cerebellum, which would be here, and it narrows into an obex caudally, which would go into the central canal of the spinal cord. In the fourth ventricle, we have three openings that the cranial spinal fluid drains into. As said before, the central canal of the spinal cord, and the median and lateral apertures. The median aperture will continue into the cistern magna, and the lateral apertures will continue into the pontine cistern. Cisterns are enlarged subarachnoid spaces that contain a large volume of cranial spinal fluid. That is what surrounds our brains. Imagine a brain here, and keeps them buoyant and protected.